If you invest for dividends, you probably wished there was an easy way to see exactly how much you're earning, when your next payouts are, and how your dividend income is growing over time. I've been building a dividend portfolio tracker spreadsheet to do exactly that, and the beta version is now available for free to anyone who wants to test it out. This spreadsheet automatically tracks the dividend amount, dividend yield, ex-dividend and payout dates, and many other important metrics like dividend CAGR and payout ratio for each stock you own. It's designed to give you a full picture of your dividend portfolio, all in one clean spreadsheet. Let me walk you through some of the features you'll see once you start using it. For each holding, the sheet automatically shows the dividend amount, ex-dividend date, and payout date, so you always know what's coming next. When there's a dividend raise or a cut, which hopefully never happens, the spreadsheet will automatically update the dynamic dividend column, and this will raise a visual flag that lets you know it's time to celebrate that raise you just got for doing absolutely nothing. You'll also get the dividend yield, years of consecutive dividend increases, 5-year dividend CAGR, and payout ratio, so you can quickly check the safety and growth of your income. All these metrics are visible for each stock you own and as a weighted average for your portfolio as a whole. There's also charts to show your dividend income on a monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis, so you can see exactly how your income is trending over time. Additionally, the spreadsheet logs key metrics every single day, so you can see how your portfolio is growing and progressing over time. This is still the beta version, so I'll be adding more features over time. I have some in the pipeline already, such as a calendar view for upcoming payouts, additional dividend metrics such as when dividend raises typically occur and how much dividends have contributed to the growth of your portfolio. And I'm also considering adding some sort of annual return calculation if that's something that people want to see. If you have other ideas you'd like to see, I'd love to hear your feedback. The beta version is completely free right now. I just ask that if you do try it out, share your feedback. Let me know what works well, what could be improved, and what new features you'd like to see added. You can get access through the link in the description, and there's instructions and a walkthrough video right in the spreadsheet showing how exactly to set it up. All feedback goes directly into future updates, and early testers will get access to new features first. I built this tool because I wanted something simple, powerful, and customizable for tracking dividends, and I think a lot of other dividend investors will find it useful too. Check out the link below, like I said, to try the beta version, and join the Discord server if you'd like to share feedback or chat about future features. Thanks for watching, and here's to growing your dividend income.